How to find story archive settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find story archive settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and click settings and then settings and go down until you find the stories. Click on it and here you will find story archive settings. Just click and here you can manage it, then just manage anything you want and just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to find story archive settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.